Georgia, DOAS Small Business Procurement Readiness Workshop. In 2019, Governor Brian Kemp established the Georgians' first commission to identify ways to improve the small business environment in Georgia. In support of this initiative, Georgia's State Purchasing Division built a training program for small businesses to learn how to contract with the state. Before the training was completed, attendees had already begun to win contracts. Innovation. The program combines state and local government experts, industry experts, and small business development experts all into one training series. Transferability. Georgia's workshop model may be adopted by other states to support small business set-aside goals as applicable to improve overall competitiveness of the supplier market available to the state. Service improvement. Providing a network platform for small business suppliers while improving employee engagement through cross-division relationship building is a win-win for the agency and for the small business. Cost reduction. At minimal to no cost, Georgia was able to host this workshop to remove potential barriers to small businesses' participation in Georgia purchasing.